Hello. Today I have received a parcel. It's part of an art trade with Marco Cavassa on Instagram, or Marco Makes on YouTube. It's right there. We're gonna open it and see what's inside. I gotta get my face in this shot. I'll save this for last because I know. How much did you put in here? Okay, hold on. I'll put that off to the side because that's what we're here for, but I don't know what else he put in here. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Oh, are they all trolls? Oh my gosh. Okay, how does this one work? Okay, I see. They're the McDonald's trolls. That's epic. Oh wait, I'm not even holding the camera. There's another one. Oh. She's stuck in there. There we go. Thank you. This is a certificate of authenticity. That's awesome. My desk is a mess. My bad. Oh, there she is. There she is. She's really pretty. Look at this box. So he says there's a tab right here, and I don't want to rip the packaging because it's so pretty and he made it. Hold on, maybe if I do something for 1 second. So I gotta figure out how to open the packaging. Oh my god. So it kind of just came off. Okay, plan B. Text. He said slip a knife. Try to separate it. It's really stuck in there. I don't know what type of glue he used. What are my options here? So, like, instead of ripping it off the packaging, I'm gonna, like, cut it. I think I got enough. I can just sort of lift it up. Can I just say the camera does not capture her beauty? I can't. You can tell there's so much work put into this thing. But I don't know if the camera really does her justice. It's so pretty. I can't get it. Okay. She's slightly bendy. Her tail is the most bendable. Her head's pretty stiff. So well, as long as you can move. It's a solid figure, so there's no articulation. But that's totally fine. If you look inside of her mouth, it is painted. I don't know if I can get that though. It is fully painted inside of her mouth. Dang. I wish my camera could pick up more. As with all of Marco's other creations, this Delta is completely made from scratch. She is hand sculpted and hand painted. Well, I seriously can't get over all of the immaculate detail in this thing. It's crazy. Definitely go check out Marco's Instagram and YouTube channel. Both of those links are in the link in the description. What the heck is wrong with me? Both of those links are in the description, so go check it out. He has tutorials on how he makes his dinosaurs, other unboxings. He's also gonna be opening my side of the trade. He's already got the video up. I'm a little late in the game, so go check that out. I feel like his is like a million times better than mine. 1 second, Jude! Go to his Instagram. You can go on Etsy, buy stuff like this. They sell out really quick, so
Yes, Jude! Yeah, so go check out his Etsy. He's been making different species of dinosaur. Rubbersaurs. That's what they're called. Yes? Yes. So, check it out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Thanks for trading with me, Marco. That was epic. Thank your girlfriend for me for the trolls. I love them a lot. They will go up on my shelf somewhere back there. Delta will go somewhere up there with my raptors. Yeah, so thanks for watching.